Hi, welcome to a quick orientation of Akoonu pipeline reviews. To find pipeline reviews, go to your app launcher and search for the Pipeline Review tab. This will take you to the Pipeline Review app right in Salesforce. And before digging into all the details, let's just have a quick overview orientation of the layout of the app. So on the left-hand side, there's a bar that has the view buttons. So this is how you can switch between the flow view for understanding change, the list view for slicing and dicing your pipeline and inspecting deals, the Kanban view, and the pipeline health view. So I can switch to the flow view, I can switch to the Kanban view, I can go back to the list view. The next place to look is in the header area. So there's several things going on up here. The first is the saved view menu. So this is a place where you can return to views that you have saved or that others have shared with you and quickly go from one view to another. Below that is a line of summary statistics. And this is contextual to the view you're looking at. So based on the fiscal period, based on the filters, you see the deal owners, the number of open deals, the total amount of those deals, the committed in one amount and the closed one. Now there are some configuration options for this area, so your summary data might look a little bit different. Below the summary statistics is the filter bar. So this is explicitly showing you what you're looking at in the view. So you're looking at all opportunities or just your team's opportunities. What's the pipeline close date that you're looking at? The roll-up, groupings, filters, it's all going to show up right there. So you have a really clear idea of what you're looking at in the view. One particular item of note is that for the fiscal periods, you can hover over the information icon and get the exact date range, which is handy if you're using custom fiscal years. Up and more to the right is the toolbar. So these are options that allow you to control what's in the view. Filtering, selecting date ranges, scope, and so on. And with a search bar on the end too. So that's the top header area. A lot's going on there that allows you to control what's in the view and to know what's in the view as well. The next panel is on the left, and this is the team drill down. So right now I'm starting with the by role tree. There's a few other options. There's a by manager tree, which you may have enabled if you use user manager relationships in your org. And you can always go to by owner to filter by specific owners. And that brings us to this central panel where the core views are displayed. So the list view, can take another peek at the flow view. And you can see that even when I'm switching views, the header is staying the same, the filters are staying the same, because really those are what's defining what's in the view, regardless of which view it is. Final item is in the lower left-hand corner is how you access your user settings. And this has some controls about how you look at the data in the Pipeline Review app. So that's it. That's the quick orientation. We have the view buttons on the left, the header information, the team drill down, the central view panel, and your user settings. And that should be enough to get you started with pipeline reviews.